I have some news about Huda Beauty Cosmetics. They have announced that they will no longer be creating the large eyeshadow palettes.
I am so sad to say this, but this is our last big palette ever.
While it is sad to see these large palettes go, it is exciting to think about the new innovative products they have in store for us. Hey there, beauties! Welcome back to my channel. Today, I have something super exciting for you. It's a review of the new Huda Beauty Icy Nude Eyeshadow Palette. Just look at these shades. We've got everything from cool toned mattes to shimmering frosts. It's like a winter wonderland in here. Let's dive into the swatches and see what this baby's got. First up, on the top row, we have Iced Out, a stunning white duochrome metallic that adds a touch of icy magic to any look. High Life, a soft purple matte that's perfect for adding a transition color. Platinum is a dazzling silver metallic that adds a touch of glam. Unapologetic is a bold burgundy matte, perfect for making a statement. Faux Fur is a rich chocolate brown matte, ideal for deepening the crease. Gold Standards is a bronze metallic that adds a touch of luxury. Next, in the center row, we have Avalanche, which is a crisp white matte, perfect for highlighting. Aurora is a deep pink metallic that adds a bold, glittery touch. VVS is a sparkly pink metallic trio chrome that's simply mesmerizing. Poised is a beautiful pink-gray matte that adds a subtle, sophisticated touch. She Rich is a deep brown matte, perfect for adding depth. Cold Plunge is a natural nude matte, perfect for blending. And we have IDGAF, a fun pink matte that's great for highlighting and or transitioning. Bling is a silver bio glitter that adds a touch of glam and sparkle. Oneself is a light gray matte that's great for creating a smoky eye. Diamond Dew is a sparkling silver metallic trio chrome that's absolutely stunning. Lavage is a dusty pink matte that's perfect for adding a soft, romantic touch. And First Class is a peachy matte that adds warmth to any look. I am so excited for all of the looks I can create with this palette, but for today's video, I'm going to show you how I achieved this look. Let's dive in. I'm starting with the shade Oneself, and I am applying that all over the lid. This will act as a base that can help other colors blend more smoothly and evenly. It provides a softer edge for blending other shades into, creating a more seamless and professional look. This can also make the colors of the eyeshadows appear more vibrant and true to their pan color. Then, I'm going to blend Poised into the crease and outer third of the eyelid. This will create some depth and dimension, which can make your eyes appear larger and more defined. I feel that it accentuates my natural eye shape, making my eyes the focal point of my makeup. Now I'm going to use my Nikki LaRose N13 to blend that out. Next, I'm going to grab Faux Fur and apply that to just the outer third of the eyelid for just a little bit more depth. I want to give this look a touch of drama and sophistication. I am just amazed at how these shadows blend so seamlessly without patchiness or harsh lines. It's just beautiful. And I'm going to go back to my Nikki LaRose N13 to blend. Now, on the inner third of my eyelid, I'm going to apply Diamond Dew with my finger. I feel that the warmth of my fingertip helps soften and blend the glitter particles, allowing the color to transfer more vibrantly onto the eyelid. Next, I'm going to add Aurora to the center of the lid. I believe this enhances the colors of your other shadows, making them pop even more. It acts like a highlighter for your eyelid, similar to how you might highlight other parts of your face, giving a luminous and radiant effect. And now, to make my eyes look even more awake, I'm going to dab a smudge of Avalanche to the inner corners of my eyes. This gives a more youthful and vibrant look. I'm also going to add this to the outer top of my lids, right below the brow line. This can make your brow bone appear more prominent and give your eyes a lifted look. It's a subtle detail that, in my opinion, brings the whole look together. Now that the look is done, I'm going to clean up the edges and any spillage below my eyes with my MAC Studio Radiance Concealer and my Angie Hot and Flashy Concealer Brush, A506. On my lower lash line, I'm going to blend a thin layer of Poised, adding shadow to the lower lash line. This can balance the color and depth of your eyelids, creating a more cohesive and harmonious look. I'm using my BK Beauty 207 to achieve this. Well, what do you think? I absolutely love how versatile this palette is. I am in love with every single one of their large palettes, and I am so sad that they are getting rid of them. But as I said in the beginning, I am looking forward to see what they have in store for us. I do plan on, I think I'm missing 2 of the large palettes. I think they have 5 in total, maybe 6. I do plan on purchasing them as well, but for now, I do have Empowered, I have New Nude, and of course the Icy Nude. Lots of shadow colors and textures for lots of shadow looks. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope it inspired you to create some shadow looks. If you haven't done so yet, please be sure to hit that subscribe button, and most importantly, ring that bell so that you'll be notified of my upcoming videos. And if you liked this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Thank you all so much for watching. I will catch you in the next video. Bye, beauties.